Everyone, hope so you all are doing good. Welcome to another video from PSN Solutions. So this time it's a week 5 assignment, and in this assignment you have to deal with the Excel MS Excel data analysis toolpak. Okay, we should have installed this in our computer. So this is the file. My assignment is I have already solved this assignment, and so this is the main sheet. I freeze the first row, and what we have to do, we have to run in the first step, we have to run the descriptive statistics. This is step 1, and I have run that. There we go. Where is the sheet? This is the descriptive statistic for the step 1 for the column of age in year, month and days. Okay, so we have to sort the data in the file largest to smallest. I have done that here in this file. There we go, in this file. And the third step is ages cannot be corrected without going to the, so we have to delete the record. I have deleted the record also. Then step number 4 is once a record or deleted, file should be saved and descriptive statistics analysis rerun. I have rerun that. There we go. This is the rerun descriptive statistic. And step number 5 is we have to create a pivot table to get a cross tab between the data variables of the newborn statistic and the March status. Goal is to see the count of each record for the each combination. So this step is solved here. You can see this. I have removed the record. Once when it was not removed, we have this kind of pivot table. When we have removed the record, we have this kind of pivot table. There we go. So if you want me to do this assignment for you, just hit me on WhatsApp or email, and I can do this full complete course for you. I can do the courses like accounting, finance, mathematics and statistics. Thank you so much for watching.